For number 3, we're trying to find the error that was created when combining the square root of 25 plus the square root of 4. First thing I notice is that the left-hand side contains both two perfect square roots. The square root of 25 is 5 and the square root of 4 is 2. So the left-hand side is equal to 7 if I sum 5 plus 2 together. However, the right-hand side is the square root of 29. 29 is definitely not a perfect square. The square root of 29 is irrational. So I know that this cannot be equal to 7. So if I look at the original equation, I notice that if you add 25 and 4, you get 29. So it looks like all they did was add the inside numbers. And you definitely cannot add the radicands, the inside numbers of roots. So you cannot add the radicands of roots. If you're trying to sum roots together, they have to have like radicands. To add roots, you must have like radicands. For instance, if I had 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 5, I would have like radicands. The inside numbers are the radicands. So if I was trying to total this, I would say this sum, well, 2 plus 3 would be a total of 5 square root of 5. So you can add perfect square roots like we did here. You can combine these, but you simply combine them by converting them to the whole number value, like 5 plus 2 is 7.